you finance purchasing your first stocks when you were undergrad?
Well, I wrote a book, and it gave me a little bit of advancement, and somebody paid a small amount of money and bought the movie right for that. And but my net worth is a negative because you have a whole bunch of borrowings, but I have cash, and so that was pretty good. You know, on balance, you know, my net worth, I mean, is cash just couldn't really offset the debt. But I do have cash, so I was very, very lucky in that regard.
How do you allocate your time between searching for ideas, researching ideas, reading value line, reading books on biology, law, physics, and
Well, I would say there's only two divisions. All of the things you list, that's all searching ideas, okay? So when I read biology, or when I read physics, when I read history, which is really one of my favorite things, it's all searching ideas. When I do business, when I find an idea, I want to read it. But if I find an idea that are actionable, say if I kind of, one of those things jumps out, that's all I do. Okay, if I don't have, I do the other one. And then the rest of the time is basically with my kid and my wife. We got two little girls, 1.5 and 3.5, and they're really just, you know, I learn from them too, because to see how human cognition really develop, which is enormously important. When you try to really figure out, my checklist is, okay, is that cheap? Is that a good business? Who's running it? What did I miss? You know, I go through all the checklists. When I go to the what did I miss? That is hugely important to understand psychology, to understand human cognition. And no other places is better than really observing how humans develop those cognition from early on. And that's why actually, you know, playing with my two little girls really helped me tremendously as an investor. So I guess it's all work.